Oh, man, I think I might have overate a little bit of that pasta dish. Oh, what a spicy meatball. Oh, I think I may need to lay down a bit. Wait, hold the camera straight. There you go. A little too sore. I may need to lay down for a bit. Oh, dude, this guy's awesome. Well, who could that be? Yo.
Hey, Carl, how are you?
Oh, hey, Poulos.
Listen, I'm gonna go out gambling tonight. Would you mind watching the dog
Yeah,
for me?
sure. I could totally watch your dog. Hey, come on in, dude. Yeah, no problem. All right, let's do it. Okay. I'm gonna wash the dog and then just chill out for the rest of the day. Oh. Wait, why are you looking at me like that, dude? Oh no. Isn't it true that dogs always see puppets as chew toys? Oh no, no. No. Hey, yeah, no problem here. Good dog. Oh, never again. Ugh.